Hey friends, as usual, downloadable recipe is available for your convenience. Today, we're making my favorite fall cookies. They are seriously so good and need just 5 minutes of prepping, with and without chocolate chips. Let's do it! First, preheat the oven, then line the cookie sheet with cooking spray and parchment paper for easy release later. If you don't want to wait 2 hours for your cold butter to soften in room temperature, just microwave it for 30 seconds, perfectly softened. Now we skip sifting or stirring flour with my 1 bowl compound creaming method. Just add most ingredients in, beat for 1 minute, then add flour, pumpkin puree, and chocolate chips. If you make the whole batch with them, then beat for about 30 seconds. But here I divide this batch into halves, one without and one with chocolate chips. As you can see, the dough is quite sticky, so a cookie scoop is highly recommended. Press some more chocolate chips on top if desired. Also, don't forget to snack some. Now we bake for 14 to 16 minutes until the cookies are all puffed up. Let them cool on the sheet for about 10 minutes before transferring to cool down completely. Oh my goodness, they are so good! Moist, soft, puffy, and chewy. The pumpkin flavor and the spices are spot on. Although without the chips, the cookies are phenomenal, but honestly, between the two, I lean more toward those with the chocolate chip. Alright guys, if you like the video or the recipe, please consider supporting my small channel with like, comment, and share this video on your social media. Thanks so much, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye bye.